Rain hammered the attic window as Evelyn typed, her fingers dancing over the dusty keys of the old typewriter she'd found at the estate sale. Each clack echoed through the cramped room, but her words, her story seemed to pulse with a life of their own. She tried to stop, but her hands moved faster, the ribbon spooling out strange, vivid sentences she didn't remember forming. The air thickened, shadows stretched across the peeling wallpaper. Evelyn's heart pounded when she saw her own name appear on the page, followed by, "She couldn't leave, she belonged here now." The door slammed shut, the window frosted over. She screamed, but the sound was swallowed by the relentless tapping of the keys. Her limbs grew heavy, her voice fading as the typewriter continued. Her cries vanished, replaced by the endless tick of keys. She would write forever. Evelyn's vision blurred. With a final desperate breath, she watched herself shrink into the story, ink bleeding from her fingertips. The attic fell silent, save for the typewriter, waiting for the next page, the next victim, and a new story to begin.